Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to do a finger wave. And these will be easy steps, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. If you want to do a finger wave, it's easy to do. Now, why might you want to do a finger wave? Well, maybe you want to wave at somebody, but your hand is occupied and you can only use your fingers. Maybe you broke your wrist and you have a cast on your arm and you can only use your fingers. Maybe you're holding something in your hand and you can only use your fingers. Whatever the reason is, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really, really easy to do. Now, there are a few ways that you should not finger wave, okay? So first and foremost, you should not really be finger waving with one finger, because if you're going like this with one finger, that means no, it's not a finger wave. And if you're going like this, it kind of just looks like you're stretching your finger. It's not a finger wave. Even with two fingers, right? If you go like this to wave with two fingers, it looks like you're doing the air quotes, basically. And it's hard to wave two fingers side to side. I can't do it. Like, I'm trying, I can't do it. There's an easy way to finger wave, and you can do this, and it is very effective because people understand it as a wave. It's very, very simple, okay? All that you need is 4 fingers. Even 3 might work, but 4 works best, okay? So you want your 4 fingers and you just go like this. That's all. Literally like that. Let's say you're holding something in your hand like this with your thumb and your pinky, and you got 3 fingers. You can still do that. Like that. That still works, but at the end of the day, the 4 fingers will work the best, okay? So just like this. So all you gotta do, take your 4 fingers, give them a little flap, and you're like that. Look, hey, how are you? Nice to see you. Hey, I'll see you later. Take it easy. I'll see you soon. Hey, have a great day. Hey, nice to see you again. Easy. 4 fingers, little flap. That's how to finger wave. Literally that simple, showing you exactly how to do it, and that's all. I got nothing else to say. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.